Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this hilarious toy. This is a screaming goat. He's got a little belt on him, a little bell, and he's about 11 inches. So this is gonna be great. So not only is he a plush, super soft little goat, but when you flip him upside down, he actually has a little sound in the inside of him. So we're gonna take that, and you just pull this out, put it back in here, and let's give him a try. I love it. That is adorable. So this is a screaming goat. This is gonna make a great gift that you can give to anybody with that little screaming noise on there. You just press on him. I love this little fella. He is adorable, cute, and he screams.